Hello everyone, I'm going to share a strategy on financial market with you. With one case, we only use two indicators, parabolic SAR and OSMA. Okay, for that our first one is your 02 and 02. The color is up to you, so click on save. Alright, let's make this with 2 pixels. And for OSMA 12, 26 and 9. Alright, and we're gonna use that for not losing the opportunity right here. Just click on the sell button. So for the style, let's use blue. Red, no. Let's use blue. Okay, that's good for us, guys. That's very good. The configuration strategy based on the following. So first, identifying a clear downtrend here, like this one. Second, when 3 points appears, not only the parabolic SAR, but 3 points, and we see a downward right here on the OSMA. Okay, so this entry commission and as average price falls back in 2 minutes enough time because it can be granted. It can go up and not see any on that. The previous candles goes up, I lose and then it falls again and given it 2 minutes. Let's try to recover that to the position for it to happen. So I wait the remaining minutes for that to see how the first trade in financial market session turns out with an initial amount with this. All right, for 49. Okay, so a few seconds, guys. Look at that. It's her stopping almost there. Oh my god, man. You gotta win $45 in the total for that. $9 on this, and that's pretty good. I already made my first success win on that. All right, so I have $50 I want to apply in their compound, and you can do this. Not only have 50, but it's just the best value for you. For this specific case, what I do is divide the account into 25. I guess exactly 50, 25, but in the case I lose the first trade, I will have another one to trade. If I put everything in one position, then I lose, it can trade it more. All right, so the idea behind compound interest, that risk is management properly as possible. Okay, that's down, look at almost losing it, still training down. I'm going to look for another position with the same conditions, and the next amount will be $50. All right, so let's see that, guys. Positions is already on this one. We just got that as a buy button with $50. Let's go.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
Guys, only OSMA appears indicated as an upward trend. Parabolic appears handled with 3 points, and that's the fourth and the formation for that. And still a strong upward trend. Here, we need to be careful about the entry points. We could be very, very high in the price, could react to the zone. Remember that, and there's still room, right? I think it's possible, right? As look at the price continues to the rise because this is large candle. You can see that same 5 where, well, it's continuing to rise strongly, very, very strongly. It's continuing to rise on that USD position. Let's wait to see the second position turns out. Okay, we got all the positions on that. That's very good for us. That's showing for us that's good enough trend. All right. Okay. Wait for that in the second position. 10 seconds. 9. That's very good. Very clear for that, guys. And the candles give me the win again. Look at that. Oh my god, man. $89. Okay, 100, almost $110, guys, in my account. And look at the positions. Look out to the indicators. Okay, That's pretty good. That's an uptrend. I'm trending with the trend and could have heard attack. It's almost got a loss on this. It's better to trade with the trend. The position was always work for you in the position way, and that's the last entry for the session. I would be easy now. 3 trades. I'm not going to risk anymore. I'm back here and be trying. Okay. To the best position is going to give me an entry. Give the entry right here. And look at that. What is happening here on OSMA? That pair, I threw dollars at that, right? So we use that 75. Okay. All right. $75. I don't know what is changed. It must be that the page was traded. Just restarted and I couldn't see the position. All that. That's very weird, but that's is continued as a downtrend. But let's try another one. We just have another uptrend here, guys. Almost the same for the previous one. That's pretty good. Okay. So we can make that. Just wait for this. Right here, that's a downtrend. Right here is an uptrend. Okay. So it's looking very slight, guys. We know that our trend is clearly bearish, but it's for a while it's falling, starting to form it down, and there is starting to be change. Look at this point indicator that's rise. I already have 3-4 points on this GBP CAD. Okay, if you go to the zones, then it's good. All right, so if you just change that to M5, you can see that's pretty good. It's not very high. Maybe that's the area allows me to bind over solid returns as well. But based on the strategy, I'm entering not 4 points. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we can see that right here on the parabolic. But it's all right. Okay, it would have already won because it would be the third candle. I don't know. Just kind of I enter when I'm 1 minute away, so waiting for the zone indicator strong side, and one candle always give me strength.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Last seconds for that, 40 seconds. Okay. So we got this right now. $135. I just keep the video for a few seconds. And look at that, we got $107 in the total. That's a great amount. That's pretty good. From 49 to 170. That's ours for the strategy. That's point. I invite you to leave your comments, guys. In this video description, see how this works for you. The strategy is one patient, like all the others there, and explain a little about how to manage risks. How's it about the freeze in the video? Share it. Subscribe to the channel, see you on the daily broadcast, and have a great day and tune in to the next videos, guys. And don't forget it, I can't enter here on that one about the 3 points, but I don't enter the rise, but it's already very developed, so that will be discarded.